Right, so what we're going to do today is find the mean proportional of these two lines AB here. So visually, to make this easier, what we can do is construct a rectangle using these two sides here. And then using that, we can convert that rectangle into a square of equal area. And by doing that, we will show how the mean proportional is gotten. So I'm just going to construct the rectangle first, of the same dimensions. And I'm just going to label that A, B and C. So then what I want to do is basically put these two lines end on end together here. So I use my compass and swing down point C down to the extended line AB. So that gives me point D, just there. So if I extend that out, that gives me the new line AD. So from there, what I want to do is bisect the line AD to find the midpoint, the center point. So I use my compass again. Gives me my center point there. So from there, what I want to do is create a semicircle using the line AD as my diameter. So I use my compass again. Semicircle a bit off, but we're all good. So from there then, basically all I have to do is extend the line BC up to meet the semicircle to get the point E. And basically this line here, BE, is the mean proportional. So what I can do with this line then is construct a square using this as my side. So if I get my compass, I can easily draw out a square. So here I have a square of equal area to my rectangle. So what I can do from here to prove this is if I connect the line A to E and E to D, what I have is a right angle triangle. I know this is a right angle triangle because the angle touching the circumference of a semicircle using the same diameter is always going to be 90 degrees. So putting that in there like that. So what I have essentially is two small similar triangles inside the one large triangle. So if we take this triangle here on the left, I know that all the angles inside the triangle are 180 degrees. And I know that this angle here is going to be 90 degrees because the line coming straight up is perpendicular to line AD. So I know that that is going to be 90 degrees and that is going to be 90 degrees. So if I just assume that this angle over here is around 30 degrees, 30 plus 90 is 120, which leaves 60 degrees. So this means that this angle up here has to be 60 degrees. So then I know that this angle here is 90 degrees, of which this is 60, so that must leave 30 degrees inside here. 90 degrees plus 30 degrees is 120 degrees, which leaves 60 degrees, so this has to be 60 degrees also, which shows that the two triangles are similar. From there then, if I want to find the relation between these two triangles and to find the length of that line, what I can do is get the line AB. I know the relationship between the line AB and BE is equal to the line BE in relation to the line BD. So by cross multiplication, I can work this out. So BE squared, which is BE squared, basically that square there, is equal to AB times BD. So AB times BD, which is the rectangle. So basically that gives me the line BE is the square root of AB times BD. And this explains the mean proportional. Ciaran O'Callaghan 161 292 53.